Good morning, good morning, good morning. Man, have I got something for y'all. I've been out here doing some ammo tests on my Ruger Precision 22 LR with my Victor scope. And I'm telling you right now, this is the best I've ever got at 25 yards. Never touched the turrets at all. Every one I shot fantastic. Now, mind you, I was shooting for bullseye, but some of them were high velocity, so they went over, but they made excellent, the best groups you could ever see. It's 25 yards now, not 50, but you got to remember, it was just an ammo test, and my plans was I was probably gonna have to sight it in. That's the reason I went for the 25-yard target. But this is what I shot right here, and every one shot fantastic. I'm telling you now, every single one. Subsonic. And this is not the round nose. This is the hollow point Subsonic 22 40 grain. Bullseye on them. I'll take you down there to see them. The second one I shot was standard velocity. Shot just a tad higher. And it's the round nose, and this is standard velocity, but the reason it shot a little higher now, it is a 1070 FPS, and the subsonic was a 1050 FPS. Now, right here, check this one out. Remington subsonic. I shot it, and it was bullseyes. Trying to see what the FPS is on this one. I'll do a sing and dance for y'all until I get to it. Here it is. It's a 1050, so it's basically the same as the CCI as far as the velocity. Feet per second. Now this surprised me 100%. I bought a bulk of this called MagTech, and it comes in a bulk box. And I took some of it, just put it in these regular empty boxes I had from when I was shooting, excuse me. And it's MagTech ammo. It's for 40 grain. Nothing special about it at all, but I just wanted to, it was made by CCI, not CCI, but MagTech. I just wanted to see what it looked like, how well it was gonna do. See right here, there's the bullet right there I stuck in there. Bulk and got bullseye. Good, it's good. 25 yards now still. But look at here, small game, federal, 38 grain. Velocity, this is high velocity right here. So this one here was 1280. Now mind you, it didn't hit bullseye, it went over, but good God, I thought it was gonna be the best of the day. I really did. It was almost all in the same hole. Check this one out right here, Stinger. Stinger done a good group, but it's good for squirrel hunting. I don't think I'd use it for target shooting. 25 yards, it had a pretty good spread on it, but it shot fantastic. But now this is a very high velocity type ammo right here. This is a 1640. But I had it, I wanted to try it, so I used it. And it had a good spread. But like I say, probably good for squirrel, rabbit hunting, whatever you want to do. Then I went ahead and tried my Ely. A box of Ely I already had opened. Tenex. Every one was basically the same hole just about. They were so close together they had made one ragged hole. Now let's go look at it. Can't go without seeing. Let me see it. I'm sorry, my knees hurting today, so old man, old bones. That's my saying. Old eyes, old sight. But this is my 25-yard target now. And I use it mainly for sighting. I'll come out, I might do it for warm-up, shoot 5 shots in it, and then go on to my 50-yard, just to get the barrel lubricated. Subsonic. CCI subsonic. CCI standard. I pulled on that top, very top, but still fantastic. Then we went to Subsonic, all one hole, but this is the Remington Subsonic. And then the next one I had was MagTech. That's MagTech right there. Look how good it is, 25 yards. Now check this out. This is the Federal. Slightly higher, one ragged hole and one bullet hit other than same. Now these are 5-shot groups, so that's 4 in that one hole right here and 1 right there. You gotta remember, that's basically all 5, well 4 in one hole and then got the 1 at the top. Every one of these are 5 groups. Then this is the Stinger. See here, it's spread out. I say I wouldn't shoot it for target. Maybe if I worked with it a little more, I might would, but you know, I got a whole lot better than that. But now check this out, which of course you know Eley's gonna do this. There's the Eley Tenix. 1 ragged hole, all 5 shots. People, you can't ask for no better than that. And this is just warm-up shots. I'm trying out, testing ammo. I use every one of them at the spur of a moment. If I needed to, I'd grab any one of them. Good Lord, I had it zeroed in on my Subsonic, CCI Subsonic, which was this one right here. And it held 0. It's been sitting in the house for a long time. It still held 0. I was shooting a little high myself right here, but you know, it's still done it. But look at here, I didn't even change the reticle, turrets on anything. Nothing. And got shots like that. You can't beat it. You can't beat it, people. You can't beat it. Now I'm gonna sit out here and I'm gonna make another video because I can't take the phone videos and combine them together. I don't have no way to edit. Everything I give y'all is raw footage. Everything. I don't have no way of doing no editing. But I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna sit out here, I'm gonna do the same thing again, but this time I'm gonna do it on my 50 yard down there. Well, my finger's in the way, but right there it is. I'm gonna try it at the 50 yard and see what I come up with. The same scenario. I'm gonna do it the same way. Same one, same order. But this is, let's see which one I got. This is the 40. This is the Victor Optic 10 by 40. I like it, it's a good scope. I wanna get my other one out, the 12 to 60 by 60. Monterey, I believe is what it's called, the Monterey scope. But I want to try it again. I got so mad and disgusted with the eye darkness that I was getting with them. I really didn't give them a good chance. And I'm going to retry them again because, like I say, we tried these name brand scopes rather with friends of mine, and it wasn't as bad as what mine are. So it's got to be either the way I got it set up, or my temper might have just been up that day and I got disgusted with it, because I'm the type of guy, you know, I want to sit, look, and shoot. I don't want to have to sit here and baby it. But I did find out, I set my eye a little better on this one here, got me a good cheat well, and shot 25 yards for no problem. Now we're going to see what we can do at 50. All right, Blind Sniper, talk to y'all later. Good God, I'm happy. I hope y'all are too, because it's been a beautiful morning so far. I just got off work, come home, decided to do this, and I'm glad I did. It's done made my day. God bless you. God love you. I love you. Like and subscribe. It ain't costing y'all nothing. I don't get it. I don't understand people. You'll watch videos, but you won't like or subscribe. I don't care if you don't like it. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. Just give me some kind of inkling of what I need to do to get better at this. Because right now, I'm just filling in the dark. That's all I'm doing. Make some suggestions on the comments. I don't have a problem with that. Like I said, I already know one thing I need to work on, and I got the equipment to do it with now. I just got to find time to do it, because we are working 6 and 7 days a week. But I got my spotting scope in. It's got a phone adapter to it where I'll be able to show live shots. And I know that's what everybody wants to see, and that's what I need to show y'all. So that part I do know I need to work on. But anything else you know, let me know. And plus, I know I'm a little bit dyslexic. Yeah, I'll say one thing when I really mean something different. Yeah, I know. Sometimes I'll say eye box and I'll be thinking about the turret. And, you know, I know I do that thing. I'm trying to work on that part. All right. Love you. Take care. God bless you. I'm no better than anybody else. I appreciate it if y'all would help me out. Like and subscribe. Thank you.